Hello friends, today I am going to explain stoichiometry air fuel ratio. So what is stoichiometry air fuel ratio? You can also call chemical correct mixture. So stoichiometry mixture of air and fuel is one that contain just sufficient oxygen for complete combustion of the fuels. That means we can say this stoichiometry air fuel ratio is the ratio when the exact amount of air is present in the engine to burn the fuel present completely. What is stoichiometry? So stoichiometry is the elemental mass balance in a chemical reaction. So here I am consider a chemical reaction. So elemental mass balance in a chemical reaction describe exactly how much amount of oxidizer has to be supplied for complete combustion of a certain amount of fuels. So here I am consider a equation, and stoichiometry is saying is a elemental mass balance of a chemical reaction. So first you are going to balance, but here I am consider a balance equation. So you can see here 1 mole of methane reacts with 2 mole of oxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 mole of water or stream, you can say. Here in this equation is mole is balanced in both sides, but in every equation is not conserved. But I'm going to consider by mass, so mass is conserved. So here you can see here total mass is carbon is 12, hydrogen is 4, so total is 16 kg of methane, and here is 32 plus, sorry, into 2, that means 64. So 16 plus 16 plus 64. In right hand side is 12, sorry, 12 plus 32, that means 44, plus 18, 18 into 2, that means 36. So both side is 0, 7, 8, so 80 kg of both sides. So that equation is true. So what is weak mixture? If I'm consider a ratio of air fuel, so that means, sorry, that is fuel. So that weak mixture means, that means a weak mixture is one which has excess of air. That means air ratio is greater than to fuel ratio. And a rich mixture, that means the deficiency of air present in this fuel. So you can say this, that is a rich mixture. Thank you.